thinking this thing's running a little bit hot. So first thing I did is and I can't tell if I'm losing antifreeze or not. Maybe I didn't fill it all the way. Maybe it takes a little more to get all the air burped out of one of these flatheads. But we're going to do a couple things here. One, I drain the oil, and I wanted to see if the head gasket's holding, and it's not separating. I had just changed that. It says how much dirt and crap it's pulling out of it. I don't see that it's separating, so that's good. So we're going to fill it back up, and I'll show you a test that we're going to do with the head gasket, just to see if we're getting any exhaust gas through the old coolant setup here. Bought a new light at the racetrack. That was pretty cool. Alright, here we go. Let's put the oil back in it and give it a test. Okay. Alright, so if you can see those gray splotches in there, you've seen this before. Right, it's not solids, so don't think that that's metal. I mean, there's some dirt in there, but I don't think that's coolant. I would think there'd be more in there. If you know what that is, tell me. Alright, so I got this kit. And it's supposed to check for exhaust gas. Now I have new bolts, and I actually have a new gasket for the head. But I also know what it means when you start taking apart this older stuff, that sometimes it goes well and sometimes it does not. Supposed to fill up this little chamber down here. Just fill those two up to the very bottom. So I'm going to drain just a little bit out. And now they just want me to run it. So this is supposed to turn yellow if there's a sign of gas. I think it needs a little bit more. Hopefully it doesn't turn yellow. That's what it says here, that so you rev it up, fluid changes color to yellow or green, indicates a possible head gasket leak. So like I said, I have a head gasket, I have new bolts. So this did have a funky heater on that bolt right there that was, you can see it. I mean, it was right there by one of the water jackets, so put an actual bolt in it. Maybe that was the issue, don't know. So it's running good. Look at my laser probe. Like I said, if we gotta pull the head off, we gotta pull the head, but that says it's reading 190. I don't know if that's good or bad. And that's a big chunk of cast iron there. I put a 160 thermostat in it. the temperature probe was bent. Saying it's 160 over there. So I don't know if I can trust the gauges. 180 right here by the neck. Let's see what that lower hose is. $140 on the lower. About $150 on the upper. I know eventually I got to get this carburetor kit because I know that that's leaking right there. So on these old Willises, here's your door lock. The outside, most of the driver's doors don't have a key lock. It's on the passenger. So this was all mashed in. So slowly been working with the hammer and dolly to get this out. And we'll slowly just keep going around and doing that to all of it. Well, it still hasn't moved off about half, so. Maybe we're gonna be okay. So, like I said, it might have been, let me show you this. So it had this weird block heater in it. There's no way that was holding torque. Well, so far so good. She's running like a top. She came up halfway on the gauge. So I'll let it just sit there for a while, but I'm thinking we're okay. Man, that sun is brutal. Okay, so luckily we don't have any, I think other than that blue color or that blue liquid in this test. Now the whole point of this is to see if you got a head gas leaking, you know, in the exhaust ports. I drained the oil to make sure nothing was going down that way. Don't know what those little silver liquidy things are, but it isn't metal, so. But it was dirty. It was real dirty oil. But this little test kit is made just to go onto your radiator. It's got like a stopper plug. You pour the juice in there up to that line, and well, you're just waiting for it to turn color, right? And if it turns color, well, you have an issue. You pull the head gasket or figure out, you know, what's leaking, and it's going to be from your coolant to your cylinder. There's a leak somewhere in your head gasket. I'll leave the link in the descriptions below for this test I use. It's like $14, nothing big. It's quick, it's easy, it's worth a check if you're suspecting it. Check it out. I'll see you here in the next video. Thanks for watching. What do you think of the old Willis so far?